Yan na, preparing my daughter to go to school. Good morning. She will have an exam today. What is your exam? What is your exam?
English, Science, and CF.
English, Science, and CF. What is CF?
CF.
Christian Formation.
Christian.
Formation.
Yeah.
Be good in school, okay? Take your time on reading. Just analyze what you are answering with, okay? Try to read 2 times, 3 times. If you don't understand, just ask your teacher.
No,
She will guide you.
Yeah, she will guide us all to see read one by one.
Like that only, okay? So there is still time. What time is your exam? What time is your exam?
I think 7:30.
7:30 will start or 8 o'clock?
7:30.
8 o'clock, I think. So you have 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, so 11.
Let's go.
Later on, it's early pa.
No, it's 6:30. I want to go there now.
6:30.
Extra time.
Yeah, it's okay lang. Because mommy is still combing her hair. Okay, what you will tell to the subscriber?
Please subscribe.
Yes, yes, what's here? What? Please,
Subscribe.
please share, like, and subscribe.
Please share, like, and subscribe.
Now we cannot do practice in basketball because she is studying and she has an exam for 1 week.
What?
Yeah.
1 week is actually is now 2 days for the exam.
It's done already. 3 days for exam.
And then I need to find a keychain.
What?
I have no more keychain.
What she said? Dal keychain.
It's right over there.
There, on the corner.
No, to there. It's right there behind you.
Yeah. Don't mind. It's yeah. We will buy another
Wait,
one.
I can't remember keychain.
Yeah.
Expired. I can't see it.
Maybe it's lost already.
No, it's like in a box.
It in the box. Just
It's not that one.
it will gonna mess it up.
No, it's not.
Don't remove there. Okay, keep it now.
No.
Later on you will take it.
I want to see keychain.
Because we will go na to school.
Oh my god.
Come na, go na. Ding. Ding. Si Babay na to subscribers. Bye-bye. Tell.
Can you also subscribe me too?
Yeah. What's your channel? YouTube channel?
AYACHEF.
Aya Chef.
Yeah.
Okay. See, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Okay.
Daddy, nandiyan na naman. Huwag na yan.
Siguro natin. Oh. Mami.
Hey, can you
Let's
find
go
my
na.
other keychain?
Kitchen no need. Later on.
I need to put it.
Put it in where?
Please.
Later, not now.
In your ID? Later na to. It's already time.
Ako na lang.
There's traffic there. There's a lot of because it's a rush today.
I think that one my Christmas from my Christmas present.
Your gift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know where it is now.
You buy lang again.
No, where is it?
Ah,
My Christmas gift.
I know that one that's expensive to put online.
Oh.
Yeah. If it lost, we cannot
If it
find
don't get
any more
lost.
one. Yeah, it's okay na. Let's go.
Yeah.
Can I bring my camera?
Let's go na.
Bring that outside. I
Let's
forgot my shoes.
You
Mm.
go like that.
You go to school without wearing your shoes.
Let me bring that one.
Yes.
Only one.
Where's the shorts
Huh?
I wear?
What shorts? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, driver's license.
Driver's license already here. Come na, do not take it out.
Ayan,
Come
what
on.
are you doing?
Wear na your shoes.
Put it up, bro.
Put that one up. Oh. See?
I'm looking for something.
Just go na. Later on na, do not look for
What's
something else.
that?
Later on, we have a review again.
Ah,
What
okay.
subject next for exam? First, before you go.
Okay. This is my dad. And today we are going to show my cats. These are actually our cats. It's so cute.
What is that? That's from outside.
Say
Let's go
hi.
na.
If this is Sushi. It doesn't even listen but loves me. Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait. Just show. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
You show your hand
Bye.
here. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay na. We will go to school. Ah, it's raining today. Here.
It's for the wait, is that my snack? That's my
Meron
snack.
pa. There is pa. Go inside. Good morning. Close na. The door.
Okay.
Later on. I will come.
Oh, okay. This is taking long. Hey.
Hmm.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You take video?
Yeah, I'm taking video now. I'll just stop it. Beep. Oh,